is about mortgage rates. We like to look at what drives them on a daily basis, what impacts them, and if they're going up or down or the trend lines. We don't get into the rate quotes, primarily because there's so much that goes into one into a rate that it would be there's no one size fits all, and there's different loan programs out there. So there's plenty of other websites for that. But if you guys do want that, please feel free to reach out to me anytime. We can give you different scenarios if you'd like. I am a loan officer and do work for national lenders. So if you guys are looking to get pre-approved or looking to refinance, please feel free to reach out. We can certainly help you on those with those situations as well. So, and if you guys got questions about mortgage rates or programs, I'm here to help as well. So please feel free to reach out anytime. So without further ado, why don't we jump into start off with the economic report? We do got two pieces of data here being reported, and one is the New York Fed. This is manufacturing in the New York region, and the previous report back in April came in at 26.3, which is a good number. It was the highest we had in 3 years. However, it is forecast is showing it to cool down to 23.9. It cooled down, but not quite as much as the forecast, which is obviously good news. It's 24.3. Now we also got the NAHB Home Builders Index. This is the survey that sent out to home builders. Gets basically gauges their confidence level where things are at, and basically we are, as you can see here, basically stable across. So no change from the month of April to May. So at 83 across the board. So let's take a look, see what's going on. The headline news: stocks are down. Inflation concerns are easing into the markets right here. So equity markets is a big concern about inflation. We've been hearing some Fed members speaking. There's one that spoke earlier today, Bostic. He's out of Atlanta, and he is a voting member. And basically, he feels it's premature to do anything at this point in terms of making any changes from the accommodations that the Fed has made from rate changes to asset purchases, because at this point they do think the that we're looking at is a transitory. So the spike in inflation we see in the numbers, they do believe it's transitory, will be temporary. He does think that we may not see data probably till early fall at the earliest, maybe even longer once things settle down a little bit. But it's just a matter of how fast we can recover from the lockdowns we've experienced over the last year. So again, this has been kind of a common theme among most of the pretty much all the people, but there are some different points of view that maybe they should taper or not taper on the asset purchases. Rate hikes probably won't say anything for at least maybe 2 years on that. But these are different things that the equity markets are a little bit jittery today about. However, it's not affecting too much on the mortgage rates. That is something that typically would be a little more volatile in terms of concerns. It would be inflation, because it does erode the value over a bond. Mortgage-backed securities are bonds, and over time it erodes the value of that. And today it seems to be kind of shrugging that out. We're only down 3 basis points, so that's not enough to make any change in our rate on our rate sheet. So mortgage rates should be unchanged from what we saw Friday. As you can see, Friday we did have a nice little spike upwards. It did show some improvement, where I think we ended up closing up about 13 basis points, which is obviously good news. So we had some improvement, but from where we closed on Friday, there is no price change. Rate should be about the same. Yields are pretty much about the same in line. As you can see, we're just above this 25-day moving average at just under 1.64 at 1.639, and just kind of touching off that. So we're getting a pretty strong layer here. Now you got the 25, there's technical here, and a little bit further down we got the 50-day moving average here. So this will be kind of a tough floor now. This becomes a floor of support. All right. Again, if you guys got questions about anything, mortgage rates, you guys got questions about the process or mortgage loan programs, or if you guys need any help with anything, please feel free to reach out. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll look forward to see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye.